questions we often get from homeowners is what home improvement projects pay off when it comes to resale value. If you look at the lists of major projects and their return on investment or ROI, what you'll find out is most of them don't add as much as what you'll spend. So if your plan is to stay in your home for a number of years, 3, 5+ years, and you want to tackle a kitchen remodel or bathroom remodel, or you're planning to put a new roof on the home or do something along those lines, and you'll have the time to enjoy it and reap the investment rewards, then absolutely do whatever you want to your home. If, however, you're thinking about selling your home in the next year or so, then it may make sense to focus instead on some of the smaller ticket projects that will provide immediate aesthetic improvements to the home. So things like refreshing your landscaping, replacing address numbers, adding a new mailbox, or repainting the interior or exterior of the home can be projects that will make more financial sense as you go to prepare your home for sale. Now, the exception can be if your home is in an area where all of the competition has had an improvement or improvements that you haven't made to your home. So the best thing to do if you're thinking about selling your home sometime in the next year or beyond is to connect with an experienced, knowledgeable real estate agent, have them take a look at your home and give you an honest evaluation of what might make sense or not in terms of improvements. If you have any other questions about the selling process or how to prepare your home, let us know. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty in Long Beach, California. And if you found this information helpful, be sure to check out the other videos in this Selling with Shannon series. You can find them on YouTube or on our social media channels. Thanks for watching.